Ciao! Today we're making pasta with burrata. To make the tomato sauce we will need fresh tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, a clove of garlic, dried oregano, sea salt, and fresh basil. We're also going to need coarse sea salt for the pasta water, and the pasta type we are using today is rotini, and of course the burrata cheese. Let's start with prepping the garlic and the tomatoes. Peel the garlic, leave it whole, and set it aside for later. Next, we're going to wash the tomatoes and cut them in half. Next, let's fill up the pot with water and set it to maximum heat. While the pasta water is heating up, let's start on the sauce. Add extra virgin olive oil to the pan, and then the tomatoes that we had cut up earlier. Season with sea salt and the dried oregano. Turn the heat to medium and cover with a lid. Stir the sauce occasionally, and after about 5 minutes of cooking, turn the temperature down to minimum. Now that the water is boiling, add the salt. The salt will help to flavor the pasta. Cover again with a lid until it boils again, at which point we will add in the pasta. Once you add the pasta in the water, give it a good stir to prevent it from sticking together. And also stir it occasionally while it is cooking. Next, let's crush the garlic and add it to the sauce. If you prefer a less intense garlic flavor, you can add the clove whole and then remove it. We are cooking the pasta al dente, or to the tooth, meaning it still has a bite to it. Cooking it this way prevents the pasta from being mushy and overcooked. So we will be draining the pasta from the pasta water about 1 minute early and finishing the cooking in the pan with the pasta sauce. You can add some of the pasta water to the sauce if you find that it is too thick. Add the basil to the sauce at the end. You can use a slotted spoon or a colander to remove the pasta from the pot. Now let's transfer the pasta to a serving bowl and place the burrata on top. Now for the best part, cutting into the burrata. Look at that creamy center. Mix the pasta and burrata together and it's ready to serve. Buon appetito!